So it's Saturday and I've come to one of the world's biggest theme parks.
We're going to find out how IKEA are using a psychological trick to make you love their furniture so much you'll keep coming back. You're about to start one of the planet's biggest psychological games. IKEA have meatballs. Lots. They sell 150 million a year. Not surprising, as they have 400 sheds in 50 countries to sell them. This, though, isn't a story about balls. It's about IKEA furniture.
So why do so many of us like IKEA furniture when you've got to build it yourself? Got to be here somewhere.
In 2011, researchers from Harvard Business School, Yale University and Duke University in America got together. They wondered if the reason we all love our IKEA furniture so much is because we're directly involved in building it.
They conducted experiments with Lego, origami and, of course, IKEA furniture, getting people to construct a thing and then put a value on what it was that they've just created. What they found was that when we use our own labour to construct a project, even if it's done badly, it turns out we value the end result much more than if we'd not put in any effort at all. In essence, labour leads to love. Now, this attachment is so strong it's been given a name, the IKEA effect.
The IKEA effect applies to other companies too. Of course, Lego. It's odd how these companies are so successful that everything they sell comes as a kit of parts. Building your own stuff isn't for everyone. Whether it's furniture or toys, companies need to remove any frustration and replace it with fun and a sense of achievement.
Now, of course, IKEA didn't invent the build-it-yourself concept. Some amazing products have been designed to be made before you can use them, from beer to cars and calculators. Many of the original personal computers came in kit form and had dozens of parts which had to be soldered together before you could even use the computer. The Nintendo Labo takes origami to a new and more practical level.
The research showed that the pride and accomplishment people feel causes them to buy more. Being part of the process of turning a kit of parts into something which is a work of art makes you value that product so much more.
Now, being part of this process, turning a kit of parts into something useful, a product, dare I say even a work of art, makes you value the product so much more.
As a result of this, many companies around the world are now looking at how they can manufacture and distribute their products, safe in the knowledge that a little labour on the customer's part will benefit them in the future.
This channel is all about behavioural marketing, data and technology for people who are already in business, thinking about starting out, or maybe like you are just plain interested. If you've got something that you'd like us to cover, then let us know in the comments. But if you do nothing else, give us a thumbs up, like and share this video. If you're on YouTube, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that we can keep you up to date.